Hey everyone, welcome to a really fast line buster rainbow butterfly. You can do this butterfly in any color, but I'm going to show you the rainbow one I use. These are all Mehron shades and I made my own split with them. Here we go, we're going to load a quarter of a sponge. We're going to create the top wing and the bottom ring. Now you're halfway done. Mama Clown's minty green glitter, and Mehron Edge Black. I'm using round number 3 for this. We're going to create the back wing. Now the front wing. Come down, do a swoop, come all the way down, another swoop. And this part, you're going to make a big swirl. Looks really good. There we go. Then the body of the butterfly and the antenna. You're done. I love these line busters. Everybody gets something at a free public event, and they're super happy with it. So this is Capricorn, my favorite from American Body Arts Glitter Cream. Put it around. I'm not going to do it to my model, but definitely add glitter and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.